In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your HP DeskJet 4121e printer. Switch on the printer. Next is to take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. So these are the new ink cartridges. Ink chamber is here. So if you open the front door and then there is a door behind it, you just have to ink chamber door. So you have to apply pressure to open it. Now ink cartridges will come and move into the middle. Press it down and then take it out. Take your new ink cartridge, remove the seal once you take it out of the packaging. Now install the color on the color side. So slide it in and you will hear a lock sound. Then the black ink cartridge. Now close it. It may be possible the printer prints the alignment sheet and you just have to align it. If not, then you are ready to use this printer. So this way we can replace or install the ink cartridges in this printer. Thanks for watching.